This is CureMyMind, and there's still quite a lot of video editing for my guitar, which, yeah, it's going to take a while, maybe a week or two, or hopefully not longer than a month. But there's a lot of video, there's a lot of pictures that I need to go through and provide more, little pop-up information and silly CureMyMind, right? But in light of all that situation, I'm going to leave you guys with an awesome, pretty nice treat, which is installing DOSBox and Windows 3.1 installing on there, which I will also be providing. So, and going through the installation process for you with you, drivers for, of course, video and then audio, and then I left some other things in there. And then I'm gonna also show you guys how to install a game. So it's called Doom, and hope you guys enjoy. And hopefully we get back to that guitar, huh? Well, this is CureMyMind, and let's begin. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to open up your computer. So get your little icon out, open it up. If you don't know where this is at, then you're screwed. I'm going to C, and then up here it says new folder. We're going to create a new folder, call it DOSBox. And in that folder, we're going to create another new folder, called this C. I'm just going to put lowercase on everything. And then another new folder called CD-ROM. As you can see in my local C, I've already had a DOSBox file. I just put it back up so I can create this video for the purpose of this video installation and whatnot. So back into here. Once you are in C folder, then we're going to open up Internet Explorer, and then we're going to go to the link. The link will be provided in the bottom video description. So you're going to go to File, which is right up here, and then it should click on it, and then it should be Download, which should be Control S. You're going to download it and wait for this Google thing to respond. And then if you get a virus or something cannot contain whatever, then just note that it's antivirus free and stuff like that. So I'm going to click Save As. Then I'm gonna save it to that local C box. So yours might go into your downloads. You're gonna go ahead and type in your C local hard drive, then go into your DOS box, and then go into C, and then you're gonna click Save. So as you can close down your Internet Explorer and wait for this thing to completely download, which is pretty quick. 23 megabytes. So clear list, extract here, open a new window because it is a zip file, and then grab highlight everything in there, and then drag and drop it right onto your C. So you can close this thing, and then you can delete that zip file. You're gonna go into drivers, and then you're gonna extract 7-zip, extract to this. So then you can delete that, and then extract also this one, 7-zip. If you don't know where to get 7-zip, Google it, and then extract to its own little thing, delete it, yes. And then I'm going to rename this, take off the drivers and just leave S3. And then we're going to go back into where we dropped everything. So C, and then we'll go into this download link to download the emulator. And if you already have it, well, then you can skip this part. And then we're going to download, I'm going to download the Windows 32-bit installer, the version 0.4 out of this a video. So download, you're going to go to SourceForge, and then a 5 seconds wait, which isn't too bad. Once it's done, then it should pop up down here if you're on Windows 7, and if not, you should pop up a little pop-up saying you need to download. Save as. I'm going to save it in the C directory, save, and it should download really quickly. You can run it from there. I'm just going to go ahead and clear it, and then I'm going to close my Internet Explorer. I'm going to install DOSBox now. So DOSBox install, it goes fairly quickly. And as you can see, show details, complete, close, then delete this. Alright, once you've deleted the thing, let's go open up DOSBox. So this thing closed down, minimize. The DOSBox is right there on my desktop. So the icon's right there, the shortcut. And if you don't have it there, you can go to all programs, scroll down wherever it says DOSBox, and then DOSBox. And then you'll look at yours. Yours will look like this. We're going to go a quick install of Windows 3.1 first. So type in mount, mount C, and then space C://DOSBox -C. And if we go back to this, we can see why. So this is what we're mounting as our local hard drive, and then this over here is going to be the hard drive. So this folder is going to be acting like our hard drive. So minimize that down again, press enter, and then type in C:, not semicolon like I did, and then dir cd win31, and then setup. And then you'll go ahead and run through the setup process. Press enter. Express setup, press enter again. And yeah. Alright, so type in your name. Whoops. Your name, my name. Your name's going to be CureMyMind. And then hit enter. Hit enter again. And installation process should be going on. Once you get to the no printer attachment, just hit enter for install, and then that thing will happen. If you get this, just hit enter, and then arrow down to skip tutorial, and then press R on your keyboard for reboot. And now we're gonna be editing some files. So go back into your start menu, go to all programs, DOSBox, options, and then DOSBox options. And you'll get this little notepad opened up. You're going to scroll down all the way to it says auto something, auto.exe, and then it says this. So the first line, what I'm going to type in is, so we won't constantly mount the drive, the hard drive, that folder. We're just going to type it in here. So mount C:, and then whatever you name your file, wherever you place it. So I made my DOSBox, and then I named another file called C, so I'm going to mount C. What I want to do is mount the CD-ROM, mount the folder as D, and then C:, backslash DOSBox backslash, and then CD-ROM as I named the folder, and then space minus T, I guess, space, and then we're gonna tell it what it is, so CD-ROM, and then we're gonna set a path so we don't have to because you get this when you open up DOSBox, you get the Z, a hard drive, that's a hidden hard drive, and we want to tell that Windows will also be associated with that. So the way to do that is caps lock, and then set space path, and then equals %, path %, and this what tells it is the %path is that the whatever hard drive is hidden, that's what's going to be used to do it. So semicolon C colon Windows, so, and then colon again, and then set, and then space temp, because we also want to specify the temporary folder within Windows, equals C:/ \Windows temp, and then space enter, set path, because I'll show you why we want to put this edit here. So equals percent sign again, path, percent sign, semicolon C, colon, a backslash edit, and then semicolon. And then we want it to go go automatically into our C hard drive. So C colon, and then enter again, or you can just leave it at that, doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna hit the file, and then I'm gonna hit save, and then we're gonna open up DOSBox again. DOSBox is on my desktop, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use that. And as you can see, everything that we typed in there is already here. So we don't have to constantly type all this crap out every single little time. We have it set up, so it does it by itself. And the reason why I did that set path and then a path and then this folder right here called edit, well, I'm also telling it to use the edit function. So in case we need to edit a file, we can use edit. So edit, and then you can type in text or create a file or ID or whatever you want to create that file, or .bat, and then create the file. But right now I'm just going to show you what the program looks like. Edit. Oh, did you guys miss this one? The MS editor? Yes, it works. And you can be in any folder for this to work, and I'll show you this. If you hit the enter to survival guide, it's not going to work. So I tried to put it in the edit.hlp, but it still doesn't work. It uses the incorrect mod or something like that. Anyways, escape, press alt. You can actually use the mouse in here, so the mouse actually works. So file, and then exit, and then like I said, you can work with any folder and just type in edit. So let's see if I can. So cd drivers, and then edit, and then you can edit any file in there. So there we go. So alt F X, and then you exit out. Now you guys don't know how to work with an edit, then you guys should go probably get a tutorial on that. So after you're done having fun with edit, then good luck with that. So if you type since we are in drivers folder, and edit will work in any folder that you specify and whatnot. So we want to install the drivers for your Win31 dir cd. No, we want to go cd. We want to go back into Windows, cd Windows setup, and then setup INF. We can go into VGA up here. VGA, scroll all the way down, and then we're going to erase this, type in C colon backslash drivers S3. Once it finds it, we're going to use the, let's see, the 800 by 600. I'm going to use the 64 colors SF. I think it goes up to higher, but you can read the README file, see how far it can actually go up to. So I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to click accept configuration shown above, enter again, and then it should start installing some stuff. And if you get this for some reason, I'm getting it, so just type it in again, C colon backslash drivers backslash S3. Enter, and I think you might get it again. Well, if you don't, then that's it. So I'm going to exit, and then I'm going to open it up again just in case it needs to be rebooted. I'm pretty sure it isn't. So Win, and then let's see if it looks pretty good. So yes, see, my thing is a little bit bigger, and you can actually use the mouse in here, and then see how smoothly it drags through. So yes, it is working, but now we want to get audio on this. So exit out of Windows, okay, and I'll Control F10 to exit out of the little window box thingy. And okay, so we'll go back into the drivers, dir dir, cd drivers, and then dir again to see which folder will be the audio drivers. So the audio drivers is going to be SB16W3X. So cd SB16W3X, and then dir. It should be installed.exe, but I'm just going to hit install because for some reason it works just either way fine. And as you can see, it's installing, and we'll be pausing and pausing and pausing so this video goes a little quicker. And yeah. Alright. Okay, so once you get to this part, just press enter. And full installation or custom installation. So you want to arrow down to custom installation and press enter. Just hit enter again for continue. Press Y to make the file, and yes. Alright, so right here, if everything looks good, the audio card path is C:\SB16. That looks fine. The thing is C:\Windows. If it isn't, just hit enter and you can automatically put it in there. Press enter again and it should be coming up right here as C Windows, and then your boot drive, which should be C:\. So everything looks good. We're gonna proceed using the settings as shown by arrowing up or arrowing up or arrowing down. And then right here is a very crucial thing we must do, because if we do not do this, it'll start making that Windows go bing 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 constantly, and then it'll freeze up on you. So we want to change the interrupt to from 5. So hit enter once you arrow down to the 5, and then default it at 7. That's just DOSBox for you. That asks for 7. So everything else looks fine. So proceed using these settings as shown. Hit enter, and you can start seeing all these files install and whatnot. Alright, for the purpose of this video, I am kind of cutting off some of the parts, simply because it's just time being used up, and so this video sped up. So on your installation, it might go a little bit slower than you see on the video, so don't worry about that. Just let it do its thing. So it looks like everything is going just fine. Everything's adding lines to other files and systems. So once you get to this, exit DOS and press to exit DOS, press enter. I'm just gonna go ahead and exit DOS just to make sure if nothing's hung on the DOS, then I won't probably get audio. So just press enter. Rebooting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reboot by closing, and then voila. So we're gonna type in Win to hear the lovely sounds of Windows 3.1. What? There's audio. So yeah, I guess there's audio. Close this bitch down. Where's it at? Accessories. And what was it at? I think it was media player or something like that. Yeah, there it is. And then where did media player go? Where'd you go? There you are. So file, open, and I think it's somewhere here. Oh, it should be here. Drivers B16. Is there anything there? Samples? Balls, yeah. So there's your reggae. Is there a better one? Mullet? Let's hear some mullet. I forgot my monocle. So yeah, as you can see, audio is working. So close this, and next we're gonna install Doom. So if you've never played DOS games before, this is your chance to get familiar with it. So exit out of Windows. Yes, we're gonna exit out of window. Control F10, and let's proceed to that. dir, and then we're gonna go into dogs, because it was supposed to be DOS games, but right there, dogs, supposed to be DOS games, but I misspelled it because my fingers went. Anyways, I kept it that. So cd dogs dir, cd doom dir, and then as you see the install.bat, we're gonna do that. So install.bat, yes, install this bitch. So press C on your keyboard, and I want to install it in a different folder. So backslash programs, backslash games, and if you downloaded mine, where is it at? Should be this one right here. Let's see, you go into C, and then there's the programs folder. So if you download it, then there it is right there. So there's games, and it should download, it should pop up in here, and I'll show you that just in a minute. So as you can see, there's nothing there. So we want to press enter, and then we want to press Y on the keyboard to install, and as you can see, boom, Dooms. Oh, I forgot to take off the S. So if you're there, you might want to take off that S, so it only says Doom. So you guys are Dooms with an S. Dooms. So this will take a little bit, so don't fret or worry or say, ah, you know, rip out your hair or something. This wood is creeping. It sounds like somebody's tumble's rumbling. Maybe it is. You really won't know. So before I pause here, is this the first DOS you've played? Did you play other DOS games, and which game was your favorite? Was this your favorite? Was another one your favorite? And if you're new to DOS games, you're new to this game, how did you enjoy it? Did you like this DOS game? So yeah, you tell me what you guys think. So here I'm gonna go ahead and hit mouse and keyboard. Just escape, because I don't need nothing there, and escape again. So mouse and sound card, it should be selected. Select controller type, yeah, that one's selected. Configure your controller, keyboard, of course. On the forward, I want to type W, so enter W, enter on your keyboard, and then press the W. Whoops, what did I do? And then scroll down, back, I want to press S, so enter on your keyboard. That's the enter, you know, when you enter to scroll, boom, boom, you know, you get the enter sign. Now enter key, thingamabob. Press S, and then the reason why I do this, because this is what I like. I'm gonna leave these two because I'm gonna be using the mouse. Fire use, I'm gonna press enter and then use the letter F, just so all my fingers stay in one spot. This I'm gonna leave alone. This drive left, I'm gonna press A, enter A, and then right enter D. So that's my commands. So I'm gonna press accept, but my screen recorder is gonna shut off. So alright, so I pressed F10 and my screen capture recorder stopped. So that's because two commands trying to, you know, anyways, we're back here again, and as you can see, you're out of that thing once you press F10, and then you're gonna click select save parameters and launch Doom. You can go back into this Doom folder, enter setup, and then run this configuration again. So save, and there's Doom for you. And I'm gonna put my mouse in there and hit Hit enter. New game. Knee deep in the dead. I'm gonna select that one. You can scroll down and select the other ones. And I'm gonna select I'm too young to die. So as you can see, if you move your mouse up, you run forward, and if you move your mouse back, you run back. So it's a little bit annoying. So if somebody knows how to fix that, let me know. If you press D, you strive left. I mean right, and then if you press A, you strive left, and then W goes forward, D goes back. So it's better for me. So I'm gonna grab all these little things. Nope, can't go in there. And if you hear them when you press that action key, it looks like he's humping something. So not there yet. So I want to go in this thing. It's this skull. I don't know. I think that's armor, and that one's health. The little blue things. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, that's armor. The little skulls are armor. So we want to go over here, go through here, and then are you guys ready? So press the function. Just gonna press F, and then get more armor. I'm gonna go this way because last time I went the other way, this little monster was there. So no, bad monster. So nothing over here. Gonna go through the other way. Nothing over there. We're good. Oh, there's the one on the top, and for some reason you don't have to move up. It just the bullets just know where to go for some reason. No, you can't hit me. Stripe left. Yeah, see, got him. I don't have to move the bullets. Just like say, I know where to go. So, yeah, open through the door. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he almost shot a thing at me. A fireball. So, and this is the first level. It's pretty easy. So let's go back here, and we're at the end of the game. So, what do you guys think? Is this your first DOS game? And then just press the thing here at the end, and we got 100% kills. Yes, 78 items, 0 secrets. So press the fire button, and then you'll get into the new one. So you can actually save the game and whatnot. I'm not. I'm just gonna go ahead and quit, and look what it tells me. I wouldn't leave if I were you. DOS is much worse. Press Y to go DOS. So anyways, so as you can see, it's pretty awesome. And before I go, did you enjoy this game? And is this your first time to DOS games? And if you're not, this is not the first time to, well, is this the first time you're a DOS gamer, and did you enjoy it? And are you going to be playing more DOS games? And if you've already had games played in before, then which one was your DOS game favorite? So leave your comments in the section bottom below, and you know where to do. So this is CureMyMind saying have a good one and enjoy, and the guitar will be out soon. So the unveiling crap, whatever. There's a bunch of them on YouTube.